diamonds are forever. They are all I need to please me. They can stimulate and tease me.
Hello, Ama. Si Tyler na. Congratulations sa iyong retirement. Enjoy your party. Advance happy birthday. And mingaw na kami. Love you all.
Diamonds are forever.
Hello, Uma. It's Elise. Welcome to our vlog. Congratulations on your retirement. We cannot wait to see you and spend time with you. We are proud of you. Advance happy birthday. We love you.
Congratulations on your retirement, Oma.
We are excited to spend time with you here in the UK.
Enjoy your party.
Advance happy birthday. We miss you. Hi, Nay. Congratulations on your retirement. After years of hard work and dedication, it's time for you to relax and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Your tireless commitment and the values you have instilled in me have always been a source of inspiration. As you step into this new chapter of your life, I hope you fill your days with joy, adventure, and all the things you have always wanted to do. This is your time to explore new passions, travel to your favorite places, and create beautiful memories. Ang damay mo tuhod, Uma, kay grabe ra ba na binagtasay din ni. Thank you for being such incredible role model and for all the love and support you have given me and my family. I'm so proud of everything you have accomplished and excited to see what the future holds for you. Wishing you a retirement filled with happiness and fulfillment, and advance happy birthday. We cannot wait to see you in Texas sa November pohon. We miss you and we love you. Enjoy your party, Uma. And thank you sa mga nag-organize aning event. We are forever grateful sa inyo tanan for giving our nanay this unforgettable and once-in-a-lifetime recognition. Salamat, Karajaw.
BFF Beth, happy birthday and happy retirement. Now that you're retired, I know you will miss your work because grabe ra baga dyan mo ka workaholic. But now you'll have more time for yourself, for your family, for your friends. Enjoy your retirement and focus on your health and enjoy life because you deserve a good life, because after all your hard work deserve me more. Happy birthday. Love you, Beth.
Nasa panamay hapon, takuan ako lipay na nahimo sa bako na isa na muhatag ng pag-congratulate or hatag ng advance happy birthday sa ato kumare si Maribel Guzman o sa ija sa happy retirement, no? Actually, gadod din si ako manigadod kumare. BFF gadod nato ini si Ja ay paano kami ka-grupo karang upat kami. Grabe gadod na mo daw ang kasuot. So, sa pagkasuhito na ako kang Maribel, grabe ito ka-strong, no? Strong na nanay, grabe kabuutan. Sa ako natanaw sa edad sa mga up and down, daon magadot ako, ay sa amo pa nagkaiban, sa amo pa nagkumari, anong kinday amo kung mga gagmay ng mga problema, ining magkinuanay kami. So, isa na mo na magpinabangay. So, for ako natanaw isip, nakaabot ini siya na ranggo nila kumanas. Paro. Oo. So, congratulations, Maribel. Kay sa imo pagpaningkamot, nakaabot pa ka ng ini na posisyon. Pagtuo ko nga rin, kung di pa mo retire, mahimo siya na director. Pero, gusto naman sa gadod mo, di naman kalikayang gadod as government employees, mo kung mo retire na mga dukita. So, sa ako kinta nakabahan sa ibang sa ako pamilya, na anak ko ra iampo na isang katod nag-retire na si Ja, daon sigihapon ang ida pagtabang sa mga tao. Kay dili lamang sa pagtrabaho ra kita sa ato opisina, ang mutabang sa ato sig katao. So part sa ida nahibaw knowledge pa sa trabaho, hamok ang ida may share magkinahanglan sa ida panabang. So in behalf sa ako family, sa ako mga amiga sa na inilamay ni si Deo, ay ako magagawin tagpa. So bagan nangunay sa ida ninang. Actually inanak nato ni si Deo. Sa una ng mga panahon, grabe na mga pagsulay sa pamilya, sa ining mga kinabuhi, pero bilib ako kan maribibit kay strong, sanang may ija, ubarog sila kung kaya gano'n ija. So sa among grupo, puro kami, ang talamang di magbaludya, kung dyan mga pagsulay, tungod sa Ginoo, maningkamot, so kami sa Diyos, no successful, humanan ija, pagserbisyo sa gobyerno na magalipayon siya sa ida retirement. So, Maribibet, happy retirement and advance happy birthday. Month 20 August 27. Salamat o may hapon sa kanya.
I don't need love. For what good will love do me? Diamonds never lie.
Congratulations on reaching this exciting milestone. May your retirement be as wonderful and fulfilling as you imagined. Hello guys, goodbye! Purple Breath, thank you for your years of service. We wish you all the best in this new chapter of your life. Happy retirement, Purple Breath! Thank you for being with us and happy retirement, Purple Breath!
They can stimulate and tease me. They won't leave in the night. I've no fear that they might desert me.
Hello, Purple Breath! Happy retirement from Bar Abusan del Norte! Hey!
Hi, Ma'am Beth. Happy retirement and congrats for reaching the ginatawag na ito finish line. Now, with this, I would just like to express my gratitude in behalf of Agusan del Norte, for you working with us, working with you was such a learning and pleasant experience. So, naapog may nakatunan sa ibang mga coaching mo sa ako. So, once again, God bless. Maintaining mong pink of health, as they say it. And good luck sa imong mga endeavors as well as your mga scheduled travels abroad po.
Hi, Purple Breath! Good luck to your next journey!
Ayaw pagbalik sa opisina nga walay pagkaon nga dala.
They can stimulate and tease me. They won't leave in the night. I've no fear that they might desert me. Diamonds are forever.
Retirement, Purple Breath. Wishing you a full of happiness and healthy years ahead. From Enhanced Family, we love you! Yay!
Ma'am, after 42 years in service, it's time to say goodbye and start a new chapter. We've truly enjoyed working with you and will cherish the memories we've made. Thank you for the support, laughter, and camaraderie.
Wishing you continued success and happiness. Happy retirement, Purple Breath.
Happy retirement, Purple Breath! Let the adventure begin! And yo 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 yo!
Congratulations on your well-deserved retirement.
Your dedication and hard work over the years have been truly inspiring.
We will miss your expertise and leadership.
Best wishes for a happy and fulfilling retirement.
Purple Breath!
Okay.
Wishing you a retirement filled with joy, laughter, and love. Have a blissful journey and enjoy every moment. Congratulations and have a blessed retirement from Gara family. We're excited for all the new opportunities in your life. Happy retirement, Parabeth. Thank you for the love from Pio Cares. Parabeth, wishing you a retirement full of health, happiness, and friendship. Enjoy!
Robert, salamat sa Ginoo. Mag-retire na gyud ka ba? No more extension na. Anyway, pero salamat kayo no nga ikaw ang nahimo na kong bossing dito sa Surigao del Norte. Kay ikaw man ang sa kabos na ko nga nahimong instrumento ni Lord. Kung asa nako karon sa akong posisyon. Salamat kayo sa mga great memories and lessons nga imong gi-impart sa imong mga sakop during sa imong pagdumada sa province of Surigao del Norte. Although of course kabalubang yun ang tanan nga medyo mataray man po imong pagdala pero nasa lugar. Ang uban medyo ma-misinterpret nila pero kung imong tanawon for the good of everyone and for the good para sa atong departamento. Anyway, magutay naman ka. I hope sa imong retirement mag-enjoy ka and wala na'y mga meetings, wala na'y sulbaron nga problema. Just enjoy life and pwede na ka mo gawas sa nasod kay maumuna yun ang imong I think maumuna na imong gusto na after sa imong retirement. But first ayun po may kalimpi ba pag nagulat po ni sa imong loag matukong Surigao manulog ko dito pag magka-retire na ka na lang ko kung sa imong loag. Salamat kayo Parobet and God bless.
Hi Parobet, sa radyo ka word ako makanang mapabaong sa imo ha. Ang word na shalom, Hebrew word is shalom. Ang meaning na ana is hello and goodbye. Hello, Parabeth. You made it. Maka-retire na yun ka, answered prayer. Gracefully. Then goodbye sa imong mga role diri sa department. Pero, ang knowledge and inspiration that have been imparted remain in our hearts. O ang isa ka-attitude na naka-inculcate dito sa ako heart ang imong pagka-proactive, ang imong pagka-focus kayo sa trabaho. So, di na lang pataason kayo kumagwali. So, last na kaya ka ng meaning sa shalom is nothing missing, nothing lacking. So, keep on paro sa imong kanang another journey sa imong life na diin ma-attain mo ang fullness, ma-enjoy mo ang imong kanang imong life na imong nagayong mapapresenta. So, shalom paro, imani paro, shalom na if you only maintain and acknowledge Jesus Christ sa imong heart na mag-rule magaling, ma-attain mo na shalom.
Happy retirement, Parabeth! Congratulations! No more deadlines and tensions, only pensions!